Tura MP Saleng Sangma has said the 3 Congress MLAs who joined the NPP will be fooled by the government in the name of development. Recalling the NPP's claims about taking up development initiatives at the constituencies of the 3 legislators, Saleng said the NPP had inaugurated blocks and projects just before the Lok Sabha elections, but many of those are not working. He said the MLAs who once shouted against corruption joined those they were protesting against. He said the Congress has decided to include new faces with new ideas in the party.
How NPP has fooled during the election, just before the election 2023, they have inaugurated lots of projects, even blocks also, okay? They've inaugurated the blocks, but yet none of the blocks, some of the blocks is still yet to be constructed. No figure is there till now, not only the blocks. How many school is completed till that? Just imagine that one. None of the school is functioning till now. Look at. So, how do you expect that this government will give them something to know? Again, maybe for Celestian, maybe for Charles, maybe for Gabriel, they might again make them Ulu by inaugurating just with a block of foundation stone, or maybe inaugurating again virtually. This government is a virtual.
The Congress party, which recently suffered